Hey Kaira, I heard you started a professional organizing service. That's amazing.
Thank you, Preeti. It's been an exciting journey.
How did you manage to fund it?
A few years ago, I started investing in multi-cap funds.
Multi-cap funds. What are those?
Multi-cap funds are a category of mutual funds where investments are spread across companies of all sizes, large, mid, and small, with a minimum 25% in each market cap. It's like having a diverse portfolio that covers the whole spectrum of the market.
Interesting. So it spreads the investment across company sizes.
Exactly. The diversification is intended to balance growth potential and risk.
Got it. Sounds like something worth learning more about.
Definitely. It's always good to understand the options and see what fits your financial goals.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.